Hello again. In this video tutorial we will see the first steps to be able to use For Prot. The first thing you need to learn is how to move around in the game. Click on Single Player to enter the game mode. If you have already played video games like Minecraft, Roblox, Call of Duty, or Fortnite, you will already know how to move in the scenario. It's very simple. We are going to use the keys W, A, S, and D. These keys will allow us to move forward, backward, left, and right respectively. With the W key you will move forward. With the S key you can move backwards. With the A key you can move to the left, and with the D key you can move to the right. To move down you can press the Q key, and to move up, you can press the E key. Look at the following example. Now, in order to look around you move the mouse by pressing and holding the right mouse button. Your avatar's camera will move to where you move the mouse. To move fluidly, the trick is to combine the movement of the mouse and the keys W, A, S, and D. Look at this example. If I want to look around, I hold down the right click and move the mouse, and to move I start pressing keys. We recommend that you practice this way for at least 15 minutes so that you can move smoothly on the stage. With this option you can change the speed of your avatar. You can practice by holding down the W key and without releasing it, use the mouse. In the same way now hold down the S key, and without releasing it, use the mouse in the way you have already learned. Practice for a few minutes before continuing with this video tutorial. By clicking on this option, you will activate your tour avatar. In the same way you will be able to navigate, but at the height of the floor. Pressing the spacebar will allow you to jump. Press Escape to return to your construction avatar. Now let's learn a little more about For Prot. At the top you will find these three work bars. In this option on the left bar you will find the For Prot collections. You have more than 2,000 blocks to build your projects. In the central bar you will find the options to work with the blocks. You can move, rotate, deform, and duplicate blocks. You will also find the option to change the speed of your avatar. In the right bar you will find the options to save new projects, and to load already created projects. Let's see how to use blocks. Place yourself in a position like the one you see on the screen. Slightly above the project floor and with a slight inclination. Now click on this icon. These are the collections by categories. With the mouse scroll you can navigate in the hidden collections and return to the first collections. Click on any collection. These are the tiles or building blocks. Now click on a block. You will see that the mouse pointer activates a ghost block. This option allows you to preview where you are going to place the tile on the stage. Click on the place where you want to place the block. You can repeat as many times as you want. To release the phantom block, press the Escape key. Now you can select another block and repeat the process. Blocks can be modified in position, size, and rotation. You can also remove or delete a block from your project. In this bar you will find the options to modify your blocks. Click on the block you want. Now click on this option. It will allow you to move the position of a block. Just click and hold and move the mouse in the direction of the axis you have selected. You can also move the block on the floor with the yellow box. Click, hold, and move the mouse. This way you can move any block in For Prot. Now to rotate, use this option. Repeat the process. Select the axis, click and hold down, and move the mouse in the direction of the axis you have selected. With this third option you can deform or extrude a block. This means that you can change its size on a specific axis. Look at the following example. In summary, with these three options you can move, rotate, and deform the blocks in your project. This fourth option allows you to align a block. If the block is tilting in any position, just click, and it will be aligned to the base of the project. The next option allows you to return up to 6 moves. The sixth option allows you to duplicate a block. This is very useful when you have deformed an object and want to duplicate it. Simply click on the block you want to duplicate and press this option. The 7th option on this toolbar is the snap or magnet. It is generally activated and serves to join or fix certain blocks that have this property. You can use it on roads, fields, and fences. See how it works. Each one of these tiles has an invisible magnet around it that allows it to be attached to other tiles with the same characteristics. In case you want to place another type of block near these magnet tiles, you must deactivate the option. See what happens if it is enabled. You will have to deactivate it, place the blocks you need, and then activate it again. Now let's look at the most important thing to keep in mind: saving your project. So far we have placed several blocks, but we have not saved. Click on this option. It will allow you to name and save your project. Assign a name and then click on Create New Project. Your project is now saved to your hard drive. To load your project, click on the Folder option, then choose your project and click on it. Done. You can continue working. We recommend that you watch the tutorial that explains how to create and join multiplayer games, and the tutorial that explains how to use the special blocks. We look forward to seeing you in the next video tutorial.